Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel. This is Damodar.
And this is Harinath.
Let's get started today's tech news.
The first news on Micromax comeback. The Micromax is all set to come back Indian market.
They're going to come with a new series called IN. They're going to launch two models.
Let me brief about the history. In 2014, Micromax was second top brand with market share of 18%. Later, Chinese brand has entered into Indian markets
And Jio also entered in the market.
with providing 4G free internet to the users. And all users are expecting 4G models, whereas Micromax has delayed to provide 4G mobiles immediately. It has faded away from Indian market gradually. Following are the expected key specifications for the models. The model names are yet to know. The specifications are both the models comes with 6.5-inch display. RAM would be 2 GB RAM for the first model, 3 GB RAM for the second model. Internal storage 32 GB for the both the models. Rear camera 13 MP plus 2 MP for the first model, 13 MP 5 MP plus 2 MP for the second model. Front camera 8 MP for the first model, 13 MP for the second model. Processor would be MediaTek G35 for the first model, MediaTek G85 for the second model. Battery will be 5000 mAh for the both models. Expected price would be 7K to 8K for the first model and 10K to 12K for the second model. And it is my expected price.
Micromax going to come with a stock Android experience and it's going to provide majorly two updates from the date of launch. To give better competition to other brands, Micromax should come with a better processor for gamers as well as normal users, better cameras with a good battery backup as well as quick charger support.
We wish Micromax will come back with strongly
and give a tough competition to other brands. Next news on Nokia. Nokia Essential Wireless headphones have been launched globally and sales going to start in November. The following are the key main specifications for wireless headphones.
it is coming with over-ear design with 40 dynamic drivers.
40 hours of playback with continuously of single charge.
Fully charged in just 3 hours.
It comes with the universal assistant of Google Assistant and Siri. With the 40 drivers, it comes with a good bass quality. Headphones comes with the foldable and also weight comes with the 197 grams.
Support Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity.
It has a 3.5 jack and you can use by connecting 3.5 jack.
Sports a micro USB port for charging.
The headphones comes within a single color which is a black color.
Headphone price is set to be Euro 59, roughly 5100 INR.
Next news on Nokia.
Nokia has been launched two basic model in India, Nokia 2154G and Nokia 2254G.
Both models comes with the 4G VoLTE calling and also wireless supporting FM radio.
Both the mobiles will have pre-installed MP3 player.
Mobile will get charged in 3 hours and comes with Google Assistant and Siri inbuilt.
Both the models were launched in China in the last month.
Let's get into the specifications. Let me show you and explain the full details. Display comes with both the model 2.4-inch QGA display.
There is no camera in the first model, whereas the second model has back camera of 0.3 megapixel VGA and there is no front camera.
Storage comes with a 128 MB expandable up to 32 GB.
Bluetooth 5.0 version.
RTOS based on the Series 30 Plus operating system we are getting with both the models.
It is having dual nano SIM with 4G Volt.
We are getting a removable battery, 1150 mAh battery capacity we are having both the models.
Both have the FM radio wireless.
It comes with a 24 days standby time.
Micro USB port available in both models.
And also we have available 3.5 headphone jack.
Weight of the first model is 90.3 grams, whereas for the second model it is 90.1 grams.
First model comes with a black and a cran green color. Second model comes with a black, classic blue and metallic sand shades.
Price of the first model is 2,949. The second model is 3,499.
Next news on Motorola. Motorola is preparing to launch with a 6000 mAh battery, comes with a 25 watts fast charger.
And it has obtained ECC and FCC approval, which clearly indicates it is very close to launch.
It's going to come with a 3 cameras and LED flash and capacitive fingerprint scanner. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video.
If you like the video, please subscribe, share and comment.
Thank you.